Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play blood / water on guitar. We'll start by placing a capo on the 4th fret, which simplifies the chord shapes significantly. The main riff revolves around a simple 2-chord progression, moving from E minor to a minor. Pay close attention to maintaining a steady down-up strumming pattern throughout this section, giving it a driving, rhythmic feel. Next, we'll tackle the verse, which uses a 4-chord progression. You'll be playing E minor, a minor, G major, and B major. Focus on making your chord changes clean and fluid, ensuring each note rings out clearly. The strumming here should be a bit lighter than the main riff, creating a more subdued and conversational feel for the vocal sections. Now let's dive into the powerful chorus. While the chords remain the same, E minor, a minor, G major, and B major, the dynamic shifts dramatically. You'll want to use a much fuller, more aggressive strumming pattern here, hitting all 6 strings with conviction. This contrast in intensity between the verse and chorus is key to capturing the song's emotional impact. Finally, we'll explore the bridge and the song's outro. The bridge introduces a slightly different rhythmic feel, often with more sustained chords before building back up. Pay attention to the timing and let those chords ring. The outro then brings us back to the familiar main riff, providing a strong and conclusive finish to your performance of blood / water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.